Would I be the asshole if I divorced my husband after the death of our child? My husband Liam, 39 male, and I, 36 female, have been married for 11 years, together for 15. A couple of years ago, our bundle of joy, our 6-year-old daughter, was snatched away from us in a car accident in which Liam was driving. I was back at home when I received the call from the hospital. Liam was in the ICU for a month while I received the terrible news of the death of our daughter, who died spot on. He went into shock when he heard the news. Ever since then, Liam has completely withdrawn from me. He took down all of the pictures which contained our daughter, turned her room into his study, and pretended as if our daughter never existed. I knew he was grieving. Many times I heard him silently weeping in our daughter's room. I tried to get him to go to therapy or for us to go to counseling, but he has shut down my offer every single time and goes into rage whenever I mention it. He yells, he breaks things, and storms off, and doesn't come back home for a couple of days, leaving me worried sick. He barely comes home nowadays, completely avoids me, and rejects my every attempt for comfort. Once, when I had tried to make him understand that this wasn't what our daughter would have wanted, he completely lost it, smashed a flower pot against the wall, and told me to go fuck myself, or better, die and never come back. Liam was never like this. He was a very sweet, calm, and patient man. He loved our daughter to death, so much that her first words was dad. I still love him, but I miss our daughter too. I need some comfort too. Neither of us have any siblings, and our close friends are in different countries. Liam has no contact with his mother, while his father had died shortly after the birth of our daughter. My parents tried to comfort me as much as they could. They told me to be patient with him, to help him get back on his feet, but I am tired. I tried everything. We used to share household chores, but now I've completely taken over them myself so that he can grieve in peace. I cook his favorite meals, which he throws away without even taking a single bite. The last straw was a couple of months ago when I told him if he doesn't get into therapy, I'd file for a divorce. He coldly smiled at me and thanked me for showing my true colors. He told me to go ahead with the divorce. I seem so eager to ditch him. I feel guilty, horrible, and completely useless, but I just can't go on like this any longer. Should I give him more time? Would things get better? Or would I be the asshole if I leave him now when I'm supposed to be comforting him?